Here is the Toyota CHR. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, put one finger in there and then push it left. Push it left and lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go, and now the hood is secure. Now once the hood is open, that right is where your engine air filter is going to be. So to access it, we need to get the cover off. For that, we need to undo two clips. One over here, pull it back. The second one right over there, pull that back as well. Now we need to lift up the cover, but for that we need to make sure the two tabs over there, one in the front, one in the back there, they slide out of those two slots. See, once it slides out, only then will you be able to comfortably lift up the cover and access the filter. Just like that. That's the filter right there. Just grab it and get it out. The top side is the clean side, the bottom side is the dirty side. Outside air comes from the bottom and the dirt gets trapped over there. And the clean air from the top goes in the engine. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. If your airbox looks dirty like this, it's probably a good idea to just vacuum it before you put the new filter in. Now the new filter should be the exact size as the old filter, so that when you put it back in, it just drops right in. There's no gaps, there's no movement, it just goes right in like that. Okay, let's just take a look at the four edges, make sure it's all in place. This one is good. The second one is good over there. Yes. And so is the third and fourth one, and that is good. Let's put the cover back on. We have to make sure first that those two tabs in the back, they slide into the slots there. 1 and 2. That is good. Make sure you do this well, because if this is not done properly, then you will not be able to put the clips back on. So once those tabs are in the slots, put these clips on. 1 and 2. And that is pretty much it. Close the hood first, push on the hood to get load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.